चलिए आज मैं ये जो है मतलब क्लास 12 के खास करके कॉमर्स और साइंस के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए 2022 की परीक्षा के लिए फाइनल परीक्षा यानी कि बोर्ड परीक्षा के लिए गेस किए गए हैं मतलब 5 पोएट्रीज एक ही वीडियो में डाले जा रहे हैं। चलिए जिनमें पहली पोएट्री है, देखिए जिनमें पोएट्री नंबर फर्स्ट है स्वीटेस्ट लव आई डू नॉट गो बाय जॉन डोने। The poem Sweetest Love I Do Not Go has been written by John Donne. In this poem, the poet says about the love. The poet says about the love. The poet tells that who loves someone dearly, if she left him, how he feel at that moment. The poet loved someone. The poet tells that who loves someone dearly, if she left him, how he feel at that moment. The poet loved someone when he said her about his love with her, she refused to love. He says that his beloved refused. The poet says that his beloved was very cute. He couldn't forget her at any cost. Love is the way of life. Without love, life is useless. If one loved someone, he must do always love. If one loved someone, he must do always love. फिर से मिलाइए इसको। If one loved someone, he must do always. क्यों? तो love teaches the way of love. Love teaches the way of life. पोएट्री नंबर ये कौन है? थर्ड है। इंग्लिश पोएट्री नंबर थर्ड है। नाउ द लीव्स आर फॉलिंग फास्ट बाय वाई स्टर्न हग ऑडेन। Now the leaves are falling fast has been taken by Y. Stone. Now the leaves are falling fast has been taken by Y. Stein. इसको Y. Stein भी कह सकते हैं, Y. Stone भी कह सकते हैं। Y. Stein hug Auden sung a beautiful season, which is a simple poem about the poet. The poem dwells upon the season The poem dwells upon the season. The poem dwells upon the season that when this season comes, the leaves start falling fast. Leaves leave their branches and some small branches start coming out. When leaves leave their branches, it is just like a bald. All the trees are covered with snow and it is a very beautiful sight. Y. Stein hug Auden wanted to say that in this season all the branches of tree are leafless. The wonderful bird the wonderful bird nightingale become dumb to see the season. All the trees become leafless when want to break something from it. His hands become freeze lonely on the separate knees. Poetry 6 The Soldier by Robert Brooke. The poet was a handsome young man in England. The poet saying that if he died, he should be entombed in the corner of the earth of England. The poet is always against that country which is always in the favor of war and attacks other country. He says the wind that it take all things under it and would make blow water towards the country which attacks other country. The poet is pure patriot. He loves his country more than his life. He always supports the peaceful life. He says we must love each other. Machiavelli, the mystery cat. ये पोएट्री नंबर 7. Machiavelli, the mystery cat by Thomas Esther. Machiavelli, the mystery cat by Thomas Stearns Eliot. The poet composed the poetry about his mystery cat. The poet says that his tame cat is mysterious and clever. The poet says that his cat is such wise as a sacred fakir man. It always do crimes such as drinking milk, breaking glass that a ordinary cat can't do. The poet says that when it does crime, it doesn't say there sometimes it does such it must not do. But after doing it didn't stay there. It always cheated other and attracted them. The poet by dint of its personality and cleverness, no other cat is like Machiavelli. Poetry 8 Fire Hymen by Keki and Daruwala. In this poem, the poet tells about a ghat which was burning. The ghat was totally burnt, but to some extent it was half. Red light. फिर से एक बार इसको सुन लीजिए. In this poem, the poet tells about a ghat which was burning. The ghat was totally burnt, but to some extent it was half. Red light showed their way. The sky became like a red ball. The sky is full of smoke which comes out from the fire. Many animals were killed and some of them are half cooked. The smoke swallowed everything, and at last leaves a which was Greek clan. The poet says that he will never forget this fire today after 25 years, When he was born, he said in a praise song that he should after given. He swore that time to save it from the sin of forgiving. He did the things. I mean, did mistake. So he was saying to forgive. The poet also the poet also so he was saying to forgive. सॉरी, ये लाइन दोहरा गया है, फिर से इसको यहाँ से पकड़ा देता हूँ, मिला लीजिए. He swore that time to save it from the sin of forgiving. He did the things, I mean did mistakes. I did mistakes. So he was saying to forgive. The poet also saw his half. The poet also saw his half burnt fingers. This was the fire which destroyed everything. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. Write comment if you have any problem. Thanks for watching my video.